Hello guys, Jail here from Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open a bank account in BPI Online. So to do this is pretty simple. So I already have my account here, so it will say new deposit account instead of creating a new one. So here, we're going to press it and let's start. So basically, you will have to provide details such as your full name, your date of birth, and many more details that are needed by the bank. So this can vary from bank to bank. So here, we would like our currency to be at PHP or USD. So here, there's going to be a notice, of course. So as you can see, you will have to notice there's a service charge, and there is a things such as this and regular savings debit card. So you can choose from two. So here, there's going to be different conditions and terms between them. So just press 1 if you're able to do so. So here, you'll have to place the place and your date of birth and the branch that you want to pick up this new debit card. So there you go, guys. That is how you do it. And if this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.